Mamshis, na-try nyo na ba itong bulalo pares? For today's video, we'll be making a combination of both, calling it bulalo pares, a wonderful combination of both world as nire as soupy as bulalo with the flavors of pares. For the recipe, follow the above listed ingredients. Sa isang kawali, pagsamahin po natin ang asukal at mantika para i-brown ang beef shank. Mag-chop tayo ng sibuyas at minced garlic. On a preheated pot with oil, saute garlic, add butter, add chopped onion, and then add fish sauce. Add na po natin ang beef shank, add na po natin ang beef broth, sunod ang star anise, at ang soy sauce. Pwede po tayo mag-add dito ng celery, asukal, at ground black pepper. Hindi na po ako nag-add ng celery kasi po medyo malapot na po ang ating sauce at medyo manamis-namis na po. Enjoy!